Home Remedies presents
Benefits of taking a tablespoon of collagen every day. By now, you have likely heard about health benefits of collagen. Collagen, which you can take in powder or capsule form, is an essential protein in the human body. It is a crucial component of your connective tissue. This tissue provides structural and functional support to your bones, skin, muscles, tendons, and organs. Unfortunately, as you age, your collagen production begins to decline slowly. Consuming collagen as a supplement or powder can provide a myriad of benefits, positively impacting the health of your brain, heart, skin, digestive system, and more. Pro tip: when taking a collagen dietary supplement, take vitamin C along with it to better absorb its nutrients. Start in your 20s or early 30s. If you do choose to take collagen supplements, it is best to understand what you are getting from it. Let's see the potential benefits collagen supplements can provide. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Repairs a leaky gut. Collagen can help heal leaky gut. When it comes to this condition, collagen is particularly valuable in strengthening our gut wall. Nutrients and toxic substances leak back into the bloodstream instead of being processed out. Research shows that patients suffering from IBS and similar inflammatory conditions like ulcerative colitis (UC) and Crohn's disease (CD) tend to be low in collagen. Taking collagen peptides is one of the simplest ways to heal your leaky gut before complications can arise. Collagen is really clever. It contains amino acids which can assist in healthy cellular and tissue growth, effectively sealing your gut and preventing leakage. Supports skin health. It plays a role in strengthening skin, plus may benefit elasticity and hydration. The study observed 69 women between the ages of 35 and 55 for 8 weeks. Women who took a collagen supplement showed noticeable improvement in skin elasticity compared to women who took a placebo. Improves hair and nails. The reason why most people prefer to take collagen is its ability to improve the appearance of hair and nails. In one study, 25 participants were given 1 2.5 gram dose of collagen peptide each day for 24 weeks. Here's what they found: 12% increase in nail growth, 42% drop in broken nails, 64% overall improvement in formerly brittle nails. The results are able to be visible in as little as 4 weeks' time. It's never too late or early to start investing in your skin's health. Positively affects joints. Collagen may be able to provide natural relief. In a 24-week study, researchers gave collagen supplements to athletes without any joint diseases to see how it would affect both their cartilage and pain levels. The results showed that collagen reduced pain while standing, lifting heavy objects, and even at rest. Promotes healthy heart. Collagen may help lower your cholesterol and prevent heart disease. During one study, participants took collagen twice a day for 6 months to see if it helped prevent plaque buildup in their arteries, and the results were effective. So guys, if you are interested, do your research and start taking a tablespoon of collagen every day. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.